everything you need to know about lemon squeezers. You probably have one in your kitchen right now, but do you know what it's called? We're going to show you everything that you need to know about lemon squeezers. We all use them, but how much do we really know about them? So, let's find out the basics of what a lemon squeezer is. History. The patent for the first lemon squeezer was given to Louis S. Chichester on July 3, 1860. It became more popular than any other type of juicer because it is operated by levers with fulcrums as modern lemon squeezers do now. The earliest lemon squeezers were made of ceramic pottery and have been found in Kütahya, Turkey. The design was more like this. The closest version to the lemon squeezer we know of today was invented by John Thomas White and approved as a patent on December 8, 1896. It is mounted to a base but works in the same principle as modern lemon squeezers. Since its creation, the citrus squeezer has seen so many innovations, with over 200 patents being approved for the tool in the late 18th century. This includes modern ones from practical to ridiculous, and even those that work as art pieces. Some artsy versions are displayed at some museums today. What is a lemon squeezer called? A lemon squeezer is also called a reamer. The primary function of this tool is to widen the hole in your fruit so that you can suck out its juices. There are two types, handheld wooden ones and tabletop stainless steel ones. What is a squeezer? A squeezer is a tool used to extract the juice from lemons and other citrus fruits. Squeezers come in a variety of forms, but they all have one goal: to get the most juice from each lemon. No matter what design you choose, a lemon squeezer is only as good at its job if it extracts the most juice from your lemons. It doesn't really make sense to buy an electric or quirky juicer when all they would do is waste money and time for nothing in return, literally. Did you like this video? If so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Mixology for more videos like this.